Hi, we're here at SLE Equipment in Antioch, Tennessee, just right outside of Nashville. Our number is 615-641-7720. Today we're going to be looking at the 2023 Argo Magnum XF 500 4x4 side-by-side with a 31.5 horsepower engine. This side-by-side has a 31.5 horsepower EFI engine with a liquid cooling system, along with our independent double A arm front and rear suspension with 7.5 inches of travel and 10-inch ground clearance. This side-by-side also has the 25-inch Maxxus off-road tires with steel wheels. We have a front lock differential along with the electronic 2WD and 4WD lock drive system. We have a 2-rider capacity along with a 2-inch receiving hitch. This side-by-side has a 1,200-pound towing capacity. This side-by-side comes with additional stowaway added tools and items, along with a rear cargo box with a rubber box mat, a cargo box load capacity of 441 pounds, and additional storage within the dump box tailgate, under the seat, and in the glove box. We have our steering wheel, which has an adjustable tilt, along with our lights, ignition, cup holder, and gears. There is a digital instrument panel that comes with your odometer, speedometer, trip meter, your RPMs, transmission position, indicator, fuel gauge, temperature, battery, and lights. We have our fuel tank with a capacity of 8.5 gallons, along with our 2WD and 4WD lock drive system. This side-by-side comes with mesh fabric netting that can be clipped on and off, along with having adjustable preload shocks. This side-by-side has 36 hours and comes in a dark green color. Once again, this is the 2023 Argo Magnum XF 500 4x4 side-by-side with a 31.5 horsepower engine. If you are interested in this side-by-side or any other side-by-side we have online, please give us a call at 615-641-7720.